According to Representative Toby Tyenko, it's already clear what he said, that the insertion was significant. We also saw that the people are already angry. And when you piece everything together, who's in the Committee on Appropriations? Who is the funder or proponent? According to ENGR Alcantara, it's Zaldi Company. This is what's suspicious. Funds are being allocated to a certain place even if the congressman from that area didn't even request it. So it's clear, why was that area given funds? To get the 20% to 25% commission. The story is already clear.
Sinabi na ni DE Alcantara na pag nag-insert ay humihingi ng 20 hanggang 25%, di ba?
Okay.
So maliwanag na. So yun naman talaga yung pinagdududahan ko noon kasi narinig-rinig ko na yan. Kaya lang hindi ko masabi dahil wala naman ako personal knowledge, di ba?
Okay.
Pero kaduda-duda talaga kung bakit nagkakaroon ng pondo doon sa mga lugar na yon. So ngayon napagdugtong-dugtong, di ba?
What do you hope?
So noong una kong siniwalat ito, walang gustong mag-isa pa lang ako noon. So ngayon na pagdudugtong-dugtong na yung kwento.